Log into the community site from the home page on the top right. Use your work email address. You can edit your profile on the top right navigation. Hit profile and then edit. Here you can update your information. You can include your email address, your phone number if you would like, LinkedIn profile. You can update your organization and title and include a bio, and then select the checkboxes that you are interested in. To update your profile picture, just select Profile Photo on the left under Edit. Go ahead and upload the photo of your choice. You can crop the photo as you like. You can access the member directory from the top navigation or on the left menu bar. You can scroll through the pages of the directory using the scrolling function on the bottom. You can also search for the member organization you are looking for and then using the search bar on the top of the page. Under the organization, you can see which key contacts are associated with that organization and what work groups they are a part of. You will see the Manage button for your organization. If you click that, you're able to update the description of your organization, how long you guys have been a member of the Sequoia project, and your organization's website URL. To update your organization's cover photo, hit Cover Photo on the left under Settings and change Cover Photo. Select your image and the photo will be updated. And you can always get back to the member directory from the left menu bar or the top navigation.